Muslim country. Heavily Muslim country. It's not a great place for Jews to go. But Auntie Ellen and Gamma went. They saw the pyramids.
We were in one.
Sure were. They're just as high up, too.
I took a photo.
You did?
Oh my god, I didn't like that. Is this squishy? What? Ew, put your foot down. That's so disgusting. No, that's not even funny. It's so gross. I'll never do that again.
Fisherman.
Don't touch me.
You're all the way up there.
Yeah, we're right there.
Yep.
Not the top, because I was just kidding.
The observation deck right there. Right
Right
there.
there, yeah.
Whoa.
I don't
On
like that
behalf of
feeling.
our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with
There they
us.
are.
To unfasten your seatbelt, just push down on the right button on your
That is
right.
awesome.
Be sure to